The highly effective James16 Patterns indicator, which has been generously provided on the comprehensive TradingFinder website for various popular trading platforms, can be readily downloaded by diligent traders for widely used platforms such as MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Additionally, to thoroughly learn precisely how this powerful indicator truly works and effectively operates, you can diligently study this informative page. From the convenient navigator section, simply select the specific indicator file and then carefully run the file to prominently display the indicator on your chosen chart. Once the indicator is successfully loaded onto the chart, it immediately and automatically starts displaying various candlestick patterns directly on the price chart. The James16 pattern indicator is a truly special and incredibly practical tool for dedicated technical analysis and astute price action traders. By effectively using this sophisticated indicator, they can accurately identify crucial price reversal patterns and, based on these clearly identified patterns, confidently enter advantageous buy or sell trades in the dynamic market. This remarkable indicator precisely displays candlestick patterns on the chart based on intricate formulas meticulously derived from the live methods thoughtfully shared in the highly regarded Forex Factory forums. In the Settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can enable or disable the bearish pattern. In the second part, we can enable or disable the bullish pattern. And finally, in the third part, we can enable or disable the neutral pattern or both directions here. The first section is related to patterns that correspond to double bar low or close patterns. The second part is about bearish outside vertical bars. The third part is about two matching low 2 bars. The second section is related to bullish patterns, which include double bar low or close. The second part is bullish outside vertical bar, and the third part is about two matching high 2 bars. Here you can change the status of these patterns. The next section is for displaying the 4 inside bar patterns, and finally for displaying the key reversal patterns. Here we can enable or disable each status. For example, I can disable all these statuses, or I can just enable the first pattern here. By default, the pin bar patterns are enabled and prominently displayed on the chart, allowing us to easily review and identify these crucial pin bar patterns at various points across the entire chart. However, the absolutely key point to remember is that these patterns gain significant importance and reliability only when they form in close proximity to established support or resistance zones or around other critical key price levels. When such a powerful pattern forms under these specific conditions, it presents a valuable opportunity for us to consider entering a trade with a higher probability of success. But let's observe, the pattern has indeed formed and is clearly displayed right here on our chart. Now moving on to the double bar lower close pattern. This particular formation consists of a distinct 2-candle pattern. In this configuration, the second candle closes at a price level that is noticeably lower than the closing price of the first candle, and this specific arrangement is precisely what is considered and defined as a double bar lower close pattern. This second option available to us enables the bearish outside vertical bar. Here, we can clearly observe another 2-candle pattern where the second candle completely and comprehensively engulfs the entire range of the first candle. This engulfment is characterized by the second candle achieving a higher high, establishing a lower low, and crucially, the second candle ultimately closes at a price point lower than that of the first candle. The third significant pattern we will discuss is called the 2 matching low 2 bars, which is also a recognizable 2-candle pattern. As we can see here, this specific pattern has been accurately identified and highlighted for us on the chart, and based on its formation, we can strategically consider entering a sell position in the market. However, it is profoundly important to always keep in mind and consistently remember that these powerful patterns must unequivocally form either at a well-defined support or resistance zone or at another highly significant price level. Only when these critical conditions are met can we confidently and judiciously consider entering a position in the market based on their signals. In the next section, which is closely related to this part, enabling this particular option will effectively display the squeeze candle patterns for us. These are yet another set of special and unique patterns that are clearly shown here on the chart. We can readily identify these patterns as doji candles, which are characterized by their very small bodies and their relatively long wicks, indicating indecision in the market. Finally, this last option is specifically related to price gap patterns. By enabling this option, we gain the ability to thoroughly review and analyze key reversal candles that appear on the chart, providing further insights into potential market turns. For a much more complete and in-depth review of all 16 of James's patterns, we highly recommend that you search for James16 Patterns to find comprehensive resources. You can then review all of them in detail and meticulously analyze their performance more carefully to understand their nuances and applications. Well, dear friends, we have now reached the very end of this comprehensive indicator tutorial. We would be absolutely delighted and grateful if you would share your valuable comments, insightful feedback, and helpful suggestions with us in the comments section below, as your input is highly appreciated and helps us improve.